I just built this awesome $40 overhead camera filming rig. Let's look at how it goes together. So I'm going to start by putting up the Amazon page that points to this product. It's a $40 product. It's basically meant to mount monitors, but I'm going to turn it into something for a camera. Right now I'm using my iPhone SE, but you can easily put a ball head on it and mount a full-size camera if you wish. It's all doable. All right, before I get started, I want to tell you that this is not my idea. I found this online and I'm going to post a link to that video below so that you can watch that as well. It's a little scratched up. Pretty solid. All right, let's try again. It's looking at it this way, and I probably want it to look at it this way. There we go. Okay, so let's look at some sample video. There you go. Although there were a couple of minor mishaps putting the thing together, it's robust, it's solid, it's 40 bucks, and it works. So for ZDNet's DIY IT, my name is David Gewirtz. Go out there and build or film something cool.